Hi, this is Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney here to help you navigate the complex world of immigration. In this video, I will explain the 3 ways to get a green card through marriage, the attorney's role, and what to expect. If you're already inside the US, you can apply to adjust your status to that of a permanent resident by virtue of being married to either a US citizen or a green card holder. In order to do this, you must be able to prove that you entered into your marriage for love and not just to get a green card. And also, you must be able to prove that you entered the US legally. If your spouse is a US citizen, it is okay if your visa has expired. But if your spouse is a green card holder, you cannot be here on an expired visa if you want to adjust your status. The total time it takes to adjust your status will vary greatly depending on where in the US you live, how long it is taking your local office to interview people, and whether your spouse is a citizen or a permanent resident. The total time can vary from 5 months to 2 years or more, and the process concludes after an immigration officer interviews you and your spouse together. If your spouse is outside of the USA, you can help them get an immigrant visa so that once they enter the US with that visa, they will have their green card waiting for them. This is a 3-part process where you will need to deal with multiple government agencies, and the process ends after your foreign spouse is interviewed by a consular officer in the US consulate in their home country. The average time it takes to get an immigrant visa is about 1 year. The good news is that once you enter the US with an immigrant visa, you're automatically considered a resident and you will receive a green card in the mail. If you are a US citizen and you are engaged to someone outside the US, you can help them get a fiance visa, which will then allow them to enter the US so that they can come to marry you and then apply to adjust their status. This process is slightly longer because it is kind of like combining the processes of applying for an immigrant visa plus adjusting status together. I would say that getting a fiance visa will take about 8 months or more, and then add on another 5 months to 2 years to adjust status. There is both an interview at the US consulate plus at your local USCIS office for the marriage interview. This is a quick rundown of the 3 ways to get a marriage-based green card and what to expect in the process. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment with your questions, and if you'd like to work with me, call my office to set up your consultation. I'm Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration. See you next week.